Good afternoon, students. This is your English class. So, now I will teach you English. The chapter's name is A Triumph of Surgery, and the author's name is James Alfred White. He was born on 3rd October 1916 and he died on 23rd February 1995. And actually his original name was James Alfred White, but he was known by his pen name James Harriot. And this is the first chapter of your English, and the chapter's name is A Triumph of Surgery. Surgery. Often you have heard this word, might you have heard this word, surgery. Surgery means operation. It is just the synonyms of the word operation. Actually, there in this story there are some characters. The first one is Mrs. Pumphrey and a veterinary doctor. His name is Mr. James Harriot, himself the author. The author is a veterinary doctor. Do you know the meaning of veterinary doctor? A person who treats person is known as a doctor, but a persons who treat animals is known as veterinary doctor. So as I was saying that there are some characters in this story. This story deals about the human love to animals and the animals loves to humans. So this is a very nice story. Mrs. Pumphrey is the mistress of the dog. The dog's name is Tricky. There is a veterinary surgeon. His name is Mr. Harriot. Everything was going fine. All were happy. But suddenly what happened that the dog fell seriously ill. And when he fell ill, then as I already said you that it is the story of, it is just not the story, but it is the bonding between a human and an animal. So when he fell ill, when that dog fell ill, Mrs. Pumphrey was really very much distressed and she was worried that now what to do and what not to do. So James Harriot was himself a great author as well as a veterinary doctor. So when that dog fell ill, the mistress Mrs. Pumphrey contacted him and said him that is there any way to cure my most lovable dog? Then he said, yes, why not? Of course, there is a way. You don't be worried. There is a way, and by that way, your dog will be fit and fine. So just don't be distressed. Keep patience. Have calm. Then she said, okay. Actually, now the question arises that, my dear students, that why that dog fell ill? He has the habit of eating meals. No doubt that we also feel hungry, human also feel hungry, that we eat food, but in a proper way, in a proper manner. That dog never refuses. If he is not also hungry, then also he is always ready. He is always ready. He can eat his meal at any time, at every time, 24 hours. He never refused to do so, and that just caused him indigestion, and by that indigestion he fell ill, and he felt much trouble in his stomach, and finally he undergone for a surgery. Now some key notes about the author. So James Alfred White, he was born on 3rd October 1916 and he died on 23rd of February 1995. He was known by his pen name James Herriot. He was a veterinary surgeon. Already I told you that what he was. He was a veterinary surgeon. And he was a writer also. He was born in England. Where was James Herriot born? James Herriot was born in England. There have been multiple television and film adaptations of White books, including the 1975 film All Creatures Great and Small. So on his novels, on his writings, on his manuscripts, various films and television series have been made in the past, and the BBC television series of the same, which ran for a total of 90 episodes. As he was a veterinary surgeon, as he was a writer, and he was also a lover of nature. He has great love for the nature. Up till now, is there any problem? If you have any problem, you can simply ask me. I will feel free to answer your queries. I will be happy to answer your queries. So please don't hesitate. If you have any problem, my dear students, then you can simply ask. And now here are the hard words that I have taken from the book, and the words are the sausage, remy, listless, lumbago, regime, distraught, surgery, scrimmage, convulsing, lithy. So these are the word meanings that is in your book. So you may just, and the meanings is given. So it is, I have not written here on the board because it is the sheer wastage of time. So here I have described you, on the board I have described you about the author, what is the story about. I have just given you the introduction about the story, that this is, if anybody asks you that what is the story or what this story deals with, then your answer should be that this story deals with the love of an animal and a human being, or in other words, or rather leave this, or rather you can say that this story deals about the bonding between a human and an animal. So this is a very nice story, and here are some of the questions also that I have written down. Already previously I have taught you this chapter, I have narrated you, and the questions are, why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? So the simple its answer is that Mrs. Pumphrey is worried about Tricky because he is ill. That's why she is worried. Second question is, what does she do help him? Is she wise in this? The second question is here, that what does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Yes, Mrs. Pumphrey is wise in this, because as soon as the dog fell ill, she immediately contacted to a veterinary surgeon, Mr. Harriot, and she wanted that her dog should be cured as soon as possible. The third question is, what does I refer to in the story? I. In Hindi, the meaning of I means man. So, who is the narrator of the story? I have described you about the author. I have told you about the story, that what this story deals about, and who is the author. So, who is I? The question is, what does I refer to in the story? So, simply its answer is that I refers to Mr. Harriot. Who is Mr. Harriot? He is the author of this story as well as veterinary surgeon. So, simply your answer should be that I refers to Mr. Harriot, the veterinary surgeon, or the author himself. These both answers are correct. If you will write that Mr. Harriot refers to I, that is also right. If you will write that Mr. Harriot refers to the veterinary surgeon, this is also right. If you will write that I refers to the author himself of the story, A Triumph of Surgery, these both answers are right. That I wanted to say. So now if there is any problem, if there is any queries, you can ask me, and simply your homework is that to learn these hard words, and already the questions I will send you on WhatsApp, and you should also do the homework. Whatever homeworks I am assigning you, you please do it. Otherwise the day will come that any day I will just cross check that whether you are doing or not. If you have any problem, whatever the subjects I am teaching, I have been assigned by the school. Whatever the subjects I have been given, may it be history, geography, civics, I mean to say SST or English. If you have any problem, just don't be afraid, please ask me. Several times you can ask me, and I am here to explain you. I will just explain to you. I will make you understand. I will just try my best possible way to make you comprehend. Whatever your doubts, I will just clear it. So if you have any problem, again and again I am telling, you should just clarify it. Otherwise, when the days come and I ask you and you fail to answer, it will be not a sign of just a good behavior. You should just learn these all hard words. You should make all these questions, and whatever I have written about the author, you should just each and everything, whatever is written on the board, you should simply write it down in your copy, and the next pages of this story that you can also read. So for now, thank you. See you in the morning in the next class. Thank you, my dear students.